Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan once again. In this interesting video, we are going to solve one exponential equation using different methods. So let me brief about that. I will solve this question by two approaches, algebraic approach and graphical approach. In algebraic approach, we will solve using three ways. First one is using exponent and its properties. Second one is change in base or change of base formula or change of base. And third one is logarithmic approach. Then we will come to the last part, that is graphical approach. Okay, so let's get started. I am starting with the exponent and its laws. How we can solve using exponents only. So as we can see, it is a power b minus c. The exponent property we know. Anytime we can write this as a power b divided by a power c. So both sides we will apply the exponent property. So it will become 8 power 2x over 8 equal to 6 over 6 power 2x. Now what we'll do? We'll cross multiply. So it will become 8 power 2x into 6 power 2x equal to 8 times 6. Now second property of exponential will come into the picture, that is a power x into b power x. Bases are different but exponent is same. Then we will take the base product with the same exponent. That means 8 times 6 whole power 2x is equal to 48. 48 power 2x equal to 48. Now next property of exponent, if a power x is equal to a power y, then anytime we can write x must be equal to y. So 48 means it is 48 power 1. Now compare both sides, its power. So 2x will be equal to 1. Divide both sides by 2. X will be half. This method is called exponents and its properties or laws or rules. Now second method we will pick, that is change of base. So let me write the second method, change of base. So I will write 8 power 2x minus 1. Now right side is base 6. So let me convert that base into base 8. How it will happen? I will write base, then ln, same base, then I will write that number 6 whole power, the power 1 minus 2x. Okay, next step, by the exponent rule, a power b power c can be written as a power b times c. So I will multiply both the powers. So it will become 8 power 1 minus 2x times ln 8 6. Now left hand side is 2x minus 1. Again same property of exponent, a power x is equal to b power x. This implies a must be equal to b. But here property is a power x is equal to a power y. That means x must be equal to y. So I will equate the exponent. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2x ln base 8 6. Now I will write minus of 2x minus 1. I will take minus outside. So it will become ln 8 6 2x minus 1. Now take all the terms to the left side. So it will become 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1 ln 6 base 8 equal to 0. Now take 2x minus 1 common outside. So it will become, in bracket, what I will be getting, 1 plus ln 6 base 8 equal to 0. So f dot g, the product 0 property. So that means 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Either this should be true, or 1 plus ln a base 6 equal to 0. So let us put the first bracket equal to 0. So 2x equal to 1. Divide both sides by 2. X equal to half. Same result. Now come to the second bracket. ln 6 base 8 equal to negative 1. 6 is equal to 8 power minus 1 in exponent form by property ln a base b equal to c. Then we can write b is equal to a power c. So 6 is equal to 1 over 8, which is not true. So this cannot possible. So your solution is x equal to half. Now come to third method. Third method is using logarithmic, which is very common actually. What I am going to do, I am going to take ln both sides to this equation. So equation will be, this is method number 3, algebraic third method, 2x minus 1 ln 8 equal to 1 minus 2x ln 6. Okay, take minus common from right side, so it will be 2x minus 1 ln 6. Take all the terms to the left, so 2x minus 1 I will take common after taking left hand side, then it will be left with ln 8 plus ln 6 is equal to 0. So either 2x minus 1 will be 0 or ln 8 plus ln 6 should be equal to 0. This cannot possible because ln 8 is not equal to minus of ln 6. So it cannot be equal to. So you will write not possible. That means 2x minus 1 equal to 0. This will true. So x divide, take minus 1 to the right, then divide by 2. X will come out half. So by three methods we have seen x is coming out half. Any one means which one you find easier, you can opt. Now come to graphical part. See, I have drawn the graph of 8 power 2x minus 1. Let me brief something about that. If you observe the graph 8 raised to the power 2x minus 1, so it is a power x graph. Okay. A power x means if x tending to infinity, that will be infinity, value will be infinity. If x tending to minus infinity, value will be 0. So graph is like that, a power x, where important point is a should be greater than 1. Then only if it is lying in between 0 and 1, that means it is fraction. So the opposite will come. So if a is greater, in both the case you can see a is 8, a is 6. So a is greater than 1. So function would be monotonic increasing. You can see as we are moving from minus infinity to plus infinity, graph is raising, raising and raising. So monotonic increasing function. Conclusion is monotonic increasing function. Now come to second graph. Again a is greater than 1 because it is 6. So it is form of a raised to the power minus x. if you will check, when we will move from minus infinity to plus infinity, then function is decreasing. So this function is monotonic decreasing function. So if you will conclude, we are having two graphs. One graph is monotonic increasing like this way. Another graph is monotonic decreasing like this way. It is not intersecting x-axis. So at most, we will get one intersection. At most, one intersection would be there. Why? Because of one function is monotonic increasing and another function is monotonic decreasing. One is dipping down, another is raising up. So only one intersection. If any equation is having sinusoidal waveform and second one is line, then there may be many intersections. But once if one function is decreasing or second function is constant, one function is increasing, second function is constant, or one function is increasing, second is decreasing, then we will get at most one intersection point. That means only this point. And by algebraic method, we have seen this point is half. And value, if you will check, that value is coming out. If you will put half, then you can check the value also. I am putting x equal to half. So value will be 8 raised to the power 2 into half minus 1 equal to 6 power 1 minus 2 into half. So 8 power 1 minus 1 is equal to 6 power 1 minus 1. 8 power 0 is equal to 6 power 0, 1 equal to 1. That means x equal to half is the only real solution for the given exponential equation. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe for more mathematical adventure in new videos. Thanks a lot.